Yo guys, I don't know if you've seen my YouTube short where I, pretty much ask people which one are you taking, the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues or the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagines, and you'll be surprised on how many people actually are more interested in the Military Blues over what we just went over, this crazy Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagined release. We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in to another video. You guys already know it's always greatly appreciated. And before we get any further, bruh, we need everybody watching today's video, man. Spam them likes, bro. Everybody right now, hit that like button and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. It's a crazy disparity between the people subscribed that's watching and the people that's not subscribed that's watching the videos, and the people that are not subscribed watch videos more than people subscribed. I'm like, yo, you gotta hit that subscribe button. Help your boy out. We're so close to that goal, 100K. We like less than 8,000 away to hit 90K. So you guys stay along with this journey with me, man. It's appreciated. Our love and support, man. Real quick, bro. Everybody hit the like button and subscribe, man. YouTube be unsubscribing people. I've heard it multiple times. People telling me, I didn't even know I was unsubscribed from you. I ain't seen a video in like 2-3 months. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content we do drop for you guys. And we just did an early look at the Air Jordan 5 Lucky Greens. Sucks that it's a women's exclusive for those big, bigger sizes, but these joints right here is gas. So we'll be doing a full review on a few of these. You guys already know we got the Olive 5s and the Air Jordan 1 Low Midnight Navy 85s. All my social media links will be down below. Make sure you go check me out over on X. Make sure you check me out over on Instagram. And make sure you guys go check out Joma Shop. I have my top Cologne picks linked down below in the description box that you can head straight over. Everything is discounted. You talking about Baccarat, you talking about Creed, you talking about all types of high-end colognes. You can get them from a discounted price. Use my link, bruh. I'm gonna lead you guys in the right direction, man. All right, guys. So, like I said, bro, the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagined, we do have them right here. And I didn't want to show these or, make a video about these, but I had to highlight these due to the fact that, I did do a YouTube short where I said, the Military Blues or the Brand Reimagines, and I'm talking about people were going crazy for the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. I'm talking about that release might be a way harder and a way more difficult release than the Brand 4s, just due to the fact that it's a lot of people wanting the Military Blues. Like, I'm talking about almost under all my, reimagined videos that I did do in February, people say, you know what, I'm cool on these. Even if I take an L, I'm waiting on the Military Blues. And that leads me to my point with the Military Blues. Nike, did move the release date up to April the 27th, which is kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. They're going right back to back from Breds straight to the Military Blues, 2 hype releases, 2 sneakers that could go down as shoe of the year or Jordan 4 of the year, however you want to, put that. But I do feel like them moving it up means a lot of big things. I think it means a lot of big things as far as the amount of pairs that they have produced. They probably already got them joints already cooked up, already got the bad boys in the boxes, ready to ship out to the local shops and stuff like that. And it also means that the shock drop will be coming earlier than expected. You guys know we usually get a shock drop about 3 to 4 weeks before the drop. It was kind of weird with the Reimagined 4s. It did it only like a couple of weeks before, but we're used to seeing it happen like a whole month before, which we are almost already in March, bro. We're literally almost in March already. And we could potentially see that shock drop happen mid-March towards the end of March timeframe. I didn't expect Nike to move that release date up to April. So now you might get a lot of shoes in March that are gonna be sitting crazy because people are gonna be anticipating. People are gonna be waiting. People are gonna be asking questions like, yo, where's the shock drop for the Military Blues? People telling me they want 2-3 pairs. Somebody even said they want 4 pairs. I'm like, yo, that's overkill. You don't need that many pairs, but it is what it is. Definitely a great shoe to get to trade bait. No telling when the next time we're gonna get these Military Blues to drop. They coming in the same cut as the SBs did last year. The cut is just so much better, bro. The toe box is so much better. You don't get that bulky toe box like you did get with the older Air Jordan 4s that we got years previously. But the SB4s, the Reimagined 4s, these Military Blue 4s all have a nice cut, and the fit is ultimately better. It's way better. And as Military Blue colorway, bro, the last some things out, I think it was 2012, if I'm not mistaken. You guys correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's 2012. So that's years, bro. Over a decade that we have not gotten this release. So I could see why people saying that they're more interested in the Military Blues rather than the Brand Reimagined, due to the fact that we just got the breads to drop back in 2019. So I can feel y'all coming from. I just want to put this video out to, you know, kind of warn y'all, bro. I'm trying to warn y'all, bro. The military blue 4 is going to be a problem, bro. And I'm not trying to create any type of hype. I'm just going based off all the comments that I've seen, based on all the conversations I had with you guys in the comment section. Y'all want the military blues over the Bread 4 Reimagined. Like, people already asking, when's the shock drop? Did you see the release date move up? And that's probably the biggest news that we all have gotten about the military blues, is that the release date got pushed up from May to April. And who knows, they might even, you know, move it up again. But I think they will bank on that shock drop, kind of holding them steady all of April, because I don't think there's much dropping in April besides the military blues. I could be wrong. I know, like I said, March is going to be pretty, you know, mid if you want to, you know, put it on the spectrum of the Reimagined and military blues. But it got some nice heaters. But like I said, we got the Olive 5, we got the Air Jordan 1 low, Midnight Navy 85 cut. Like, it's a lot of dope stuff dropping, but everything will go under the radar due to the fact that everybody in their mama is gonna want these military blue 4s, man. But you guys let me know down below in the comment section if you will be securing a pair. Like I said, a shock drop is coming. We all know that. They do it for all these major releases. And due to the fact that it's not a lot dropping in March, not a lot dropping in April, we might see that shock drop way sooner than later, which will give you guys some more details in the near future surrounding these military blues, because this might be, like I said, the shoe of the year, the talk of the talk. Everybody gonna forget about the Bread 4 Reimagined, and everybody's on the military blue hype train. This is how it is, bro. I don't think too much of it because I already know how sneakerheads is. It's a shoe release, and they on to the next one, bro. They literally on to the next one just like that. And the military blue is gonna be great for trade bait. The resale value probably gonna stay high in like the $350, $400 price range. And I feel like you can, you know, use that shoe later down the line to help you out as far as getting what you really want. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys rock that subscribe button, smack that like button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. Again, make sure you check me out on IG, check me out on X, aka Twitter, whatever you want to call it. You guys know I'll be posting almost daily over there. And if you got a question or two, man, definitely hit my line. I love y'all. Appreciate you guys for tapping in. And all that's being said, man, your boy DeVintage is gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.
Been bigger this year, jump out the crib, stack up my C-note this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights and study my real, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chips to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam, everything good on the side, everything coming together, new whip.